Good morning, folks. Danny here at Partey, and just having a little bit of hot coffee on this cool morning. Happy New Year to everybody coming up. I hope that 2024 is going to be a great year for everybody out there. I'd like to also throw out a couple of call-outs, a couple of shout-outs to Silent. Thank you, Silent. You know, you early on believed in the products that you received. Our Goppity Goop, or maybe Goopity Goo, we'll see what it comes back as. But that product is actually being refined based on some of your feedback. So I just say thank you for that. Crow, I want to say thank you for being honest in that representation. I know that Ken's been out there saying that we're all angry and mad at each other, and all three of us know, the Three Stooges here know that that is totally untrue. I'm very appreciative to both of these guys. I have no complaints about anything that's been done out there whatsoever, and I'm very thankful that you would be willing to step up and give an honest representation of the product and show it for what it truly is able to do. Once again, not magic paint. All right, before it gets too late in the evening, it is now time for our 2023 Loser of the Year Awards. All right, let's see who it was this year. Open our envelope. And, oh my goodness, it's Kenneth Bird. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, I never ever thought on earth that I would win this award.
That's my baby.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'd like to thank my 4 customers who visited my fight. I would like to thank my attorneys at Google.
Yeah,
and I would like to thank my buddy TikTok for throwing the screens the same way I do. All right, Chuck, let's let Ken know what he won. All right, Danny Rogers. Ken, you have won the Roladuce 3000. Now you can go wherever you go, and with Roladuce's FLW technology, you're in good company. Thank you, Chuck. How does that feel, Ken?
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. That's right, Ken. You're the winner of the 2023 Loser of the Year Award. And to think, you're the only one out here who hasn't had a ball drop by New Year's Eve. Happy New Year, everybody. Have a great one.